Quick, easy, and adorable. Let's decorate these rustic heart cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So I can't believe it's November already, but I'm totally loving anything with a fall vibe, so let's make these funky heart cookies and put a fall cozy spin on them. These cookie cutters are available on my website in an STL file, and I'll leave a link for that in the description. I just went ahead and outlined and flooded it in with an orange royal icing in about 15-second consistency. And it was the last bit of icing in my piping bag, so I'm just going to use my scribe to settle the icing out and get it out to the edge. Luckily, I had just enough icing, and then I let it dry completely, and now I'm grabbing my gel food color in white, and I'm just going to use a flat paintbrush and make little stripes going across this cookie. I'm going to go across one way, and then I'm going to let it dry for a little while I do the other cookies, and then come back and make stripes going the opposite direction. And once I was finished painting the plaid pattern on all of my cookies, I grabbed my little tiny bit of royal icing that I had left, and I'm just coming back in and making little stitches going around the edge of this cookie. I put my almost gone piping bag inside of another piping bag with a tiny hole so I could make these stitches with the same icing bag without having to rebag for a smaller hole. Did that make any sense at all? Anyway, I'm just going to go around this cookie and make little stitches, and then we'll be done. And this easy cookie makes a beautiful addition to any fall cookie set. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you're staying nice and warm and cozy this fall and enjoying sweater weather. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and drop me a note in the comments for what other fall designs you'd like to see.